Well, hiya, Georgie. Welcome back to my channel. Today's look is clearly my rendition of a blue Pennywise, kind of like a Jack Frost meets Pennywise kind of moment. Spooky season is here, baby, and we are doing the spooky season looks. We get 4 weeks in October, and we gotta make the most of them. How many of you already have your Halloween decorations up? Comment down below. I know I started the very beginning of September. We actually have Halloween decorations in my house year round, because for me, it's Halloween 365, baby. Ain't no retirement for spooky season. It's all the time. But if you want to see how I'm gonna pull this together, then go ahead and keep on watching. I'm gonna be picking up my BH Cosmetics 103 brush, and I'm going to dip into this blue shade right here from the Morphe 35B palette, but I'm also going to take this like electric blue shade. It's called Soaked. This is from the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Jawbreaker palette. I know there's a lot of controversy with Jeffree Star. I used to be a big supporter, and now I am no longer. You can't stand behind a racist, but I did spend money on this palette a while ago, and I plan to get my money's worth. I just plan to never give him my money, my follows, my likes, or anything like that ever again. But I'm gonna take that and I'm just gonna put it right in my crease. On the outside here, just take it all in. And I just want to reiterate on the whole like Jeffree Star thing. The only reason that I even picked up this palette was because I knew that that electric blue that was in it, the one that I just used, would be perfect for this look. Any electric blue will work. I just didn't feel like the Morphe 35B blue was electric enough for what I was going for. If I had another palette I could substitute for the Jawbreaker, I absolutely would. I feel like maybe that doesn't matter, I don't know. I just wanted to say that and have that out there, that I'm not a supporter of racism or assholes. And two, when I am writing out my product lists, when I'm going to post this look on Instagram or whatever, I'm not going to include it. I'm not trying to get clout, I'm not trying to, you know what I'm saying? I'm just using it because it's there and it's a shade that I needed, and unfortunately it's tied to a racist name. But that's the palette that I use. That's the shade that I use. I'm gonna shut up about it now because I feel like I just don't need to keep talking about it. I think you guys get the point. But yeah, so this is where we're at. I'm really liking it. I think it's fun and pretty so far. Blues are some of my favorite shadows to work with ever. I'm gonna take this shade right here on my Colourpop E17 brush. This is called Young Love, and this is in my Colourpop Aura and Out palette. And I'm gonna use that to blend out that blue up top. Just a little, like I literally just took the smallest bit to kind of help bring that together. Alright, so now that that white kind of helped blend out the blues, I'm going to go ahead and take my little BH Cosmetics 105 brush. It already has like a little bit of black on it, which is fine because I'm going to take a little bit of black with some dark blue from my Morphe 35B palette, and I'm gonna put that right in my crease to kind of help deepen up the crease area. I was gonna do a halo, and then I don't know what happened. I guess I decided not to. I'm like a cut crease queen, not in the sense that like I'm good at them, but just in the sense that they're all I ever do. I'm just taking that same brush that I used to put down like the electric blue, and I'm just kind of using that to blend out the blue and the black I just mixed together to deepen out my crease, just kind of give it more of a seamless blend. I realized I probably should have left my foundation for after my eyes because blue is tricky, and I did get a little bit of fallout, but I think we'll be fine. And now I'm just going to take my Colourpop L1 brush and I'm going to put some concealer on that bad boy and use it to carve my crease. Okay, you guys, so sad day. I didn't realize until I was done with the eyes that I wasn't filming anymore. Yeah, bummer. But I caught it, so we still have the rest of the look to finish. I used the same electric blue right here, and then just a white shade and a glitter, and blended those together. And then I did the same dark blue shades under my waterline, and I used my Lash in Love lashes in the style Queen G. I thought that these full beautiful lashes would give a super fun effect to this look, and I was right. So now we're just gonna keep moving along. This is when it gets kind of hard. So I'm taking that same black and blue mixture I used on my eye, and I'm gonna pick it up with this little Morphe brush. This is actually my concealer brush, which sucks because I'll definitely have to clean it before I use it again, but it's gonna give me really fine lines and precision, which is what I really want for these next parts. Looking dead on at my mirror, I'm just gonna start tracing out where those kind of smile lines, I guess you could call them, are gonna be. I'm just starting with this brush because I'm going to take a thicker brush once I'm ready to move on, but this is really going to help nail down those points. Okay, so we're looking a little crazy and kind of like jigsaw. It's kind of fun, kind of cute, kind of fresh. I'm going to make those lines through my eyebrow. Obviously this is taking a lot of concentration, that's why I'm not talking very much. I apologize. Now with a little bit more of a fluffier brush, this is just a brush I got from Amazon. Any fluffy blending brush should work. More like a packer blending brush. I don't know. Apparently I don't know my terms, but I'm gonna take that and I'm gonna follow those lines I just created. Now I'm taking my BH Cosmetics 103 brush to get a little bit more of the finer details up on these points above my eyebrows. Now dipping back into that black and blue mixture, I'm going to go ahead and deepen up that original line I put there. Now I'm taking just a clean little brush and blending out the shadow above my eyebrow. Kind of taking it a little further up. And just to sharpen up these lines a little bit more, I'm gonna take this Revlon Colorstay Skinny Liquid Liner. This is called Navy Shock. It's like a dark navy blue. It's kind of got a little shimmer to it, which will be fun. I'm gonna carefully follow that line back up. Okay, so we made it this far. Next is lips. Last and final step. So starting, I'm going to be taking this little guy. It's just a mini Kat Von D black lipstick. I can't remember what the shade is called. It's all rubbed off on here. Yeah, it's a black lipstick. So I'm just gonna start on the outside of my lips. And I made sure to take that black up and out a little farther than my mouth actually goes, and kind of into that Revlon liner I put in the blue, just to kind of elongate the mouth a little bit, gives it more of like a sinister feel. And for the inside, to create a dark blue ombre, I'm going to be taking this super old bad boy right here. This is a Broadway Colors True Matte lipstick. This is in Chalice. Just to add a little bit more flair, as you guys know, I am a fan of flair. I'm going to be taking my Colourpop Gliterally Obsessed glitter. This is in Disco Lady, and I'm just going to take it on a brush because I'm really not trying to get like a whole bunch. I just kind of want a fun moment. And I'm going to put it right in my inner corner. And here we are, the finished look for my take on a blue Pennywise. I've been in here for about 3 hours now. This has taken me quite a while, but it has been super fun, super awesome. I did a clown look before. I know that with spooky season coming up, Pennywise looks are going to be really popular, and I thought, why not do something I haven't seen done before personally, which is a blue Pennywise. Maybe I'll make this a thing and I'll do like orange and purple Pennywises. I don't know. Like I said, it took me 3 hours. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, please give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that bell icon too, so that next time I upload, you know. Oh, and if you were curious about my super awesome shirt, this is Suicide Boys' newest release merch. And I was lucky enough to grab this t-shirt before it sold out, and yeah, came in the mail 2 days ago, and it's like, I'm gonna wear it in my next video. But yeah, thanks for sitting with me today, guys. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Stay happy, stay positive. Don't forget that you are a bad bitch. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. I always get foundation in my freaking hair. I try so hard not to. It makes me look like I'm graying. Love lashes and this, and I use my shut up, and I use my Lash and Love lashes in this style